Alright, so this is going to be a quick video on how to solve some equations using the intersect feature of your calculator. So, I'm going to do the one that you didn't have to do for homework. So this is number 24 on page 188, for those of you who want to look back and find out. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go into y equals. We're going to have our left side of our equation in y1, which I've already put in there for us right now, and then our right side of our equation in y2. So we're going to have 2 times 4x plus 3. We're going to have those. That is our right side of our equation. Now, we want to examine, make sure that our plots are not turned on and that both of our equal signs are turned on. If you're having an issue with any of these, just do the algebra and we'll talk about it tomorrow. We'll figure it out tomorrow, one-on-one, where I can actually see your calculator and fix it. So once we have both of our sides of our equation in there, we're going to graph. Take a look at our beautiful graph. Okay, and we can't really see what's happening. That's okay, not great, but it's okay. So if we want to zoom, we can change our window settings. So we can actually zoom so that way everything fits in our graph. So zoom fit is a good button, and you can actually see the intersection down here. So to recap, hit the zoom key for anything that you can't see, and then zoom fit, and hopefully it'll get it close enough to where you can see what you need to do. So once you have that, hit second, then the trace key, and that'll bring you up to your calculate menu. See how calc is above in the same color as your second key? How clever. Then we arrow down. We want to find out where those two things are equal or where those two lines intersect. So we hit the enter on the intersect key. We select our first curve, which is just one of our lines. First curve, select our second curve, which is our second line, hitting enter on these both times. If you want to guess, you can move the cursor down towards where that intersection is. I never do. Just hit the enter button, and it'll tell you that the intersection is at 8.562. But remember, we don't really like, negative 8.5. We don't really like decimals. Ugh, they're gross. So what we're going to do is we are going to back out, so second mode, and we're going to back out to our home screen. And then we will say, okay, we're going to take a look at our x value. Yep, still negative 8.5. And we want to, so we x, math, and then that first option there, we're going to turn that x into a fraction. And that gives us negative 17 over 2. All right, hope this was helpful. If you need to, please feel free to watch this as many times as you want so you can listen to my lovely voice. Have a great night. See you guys tomorrow.